Ogiso of the first dynasty. Okay, what is the lineage greeting that comes from Ogiso the dynasty? Is De Laiso. De Laiso. De Laiso. In short, you can say Laiso. For short. Do what else? The Ogiso dynasty, the Ogiso lineage. The greeting that comes from there is De Laiso. But if you go to any of their grandchildren, any of children from the Ogiso family, you will hear that they will say Laiso. That's the short term of De Laiso. So every one of us, the short form of our lineage greeting is not the end of it. If you want to say it the way it should be said, you have to add this one to it, De before Laiso. So you hear that now? From tomorrow on, all children from the Gamia, Ogiso, you have to greet De Laiso. Okay? That is very significant. Then we come to the next one. So the hierarchy of rulership in Benin, in Edo, we have the second dynasty, which we call Oba Eweka dynasty. Oba Eweka, which is the second dynasty. All right. So what is the lineage greeting from the Oba Eweka dynasty? It's La Umogu. La Umogu. And for short, it is La Mogu. La with apostrophe Mogu. All children who relate to the palace, they greet La Umogu. And for short, it is La Mogu. You don't greet these things while standing up. You go on your knees. But the point is, your lineage greeting shows who you are or which lineage you came from. So if anybody greets you, if you see somebody coming along and it tells you La Mogu, you automatically know that he is from the palace. He is from the lineage of the king, the monarch of Benin. Let me say this. All of our parents who know the Edo language properly, when you give them the Edo lineage greeting, they will praise you and pray for you. Because they know now where you came from. It's like they are casting before you the dignity of their own lineage, of their parents and grandparents. When they go there and need to greet you like that, they are casting before you in respect, the dignity of their own lineage. So what do? You rush to them and bring the person up and you bless him with a prayer. In fact, you can go on chanting the lineage greeting if you know it. You chant it. If you are here not dig with one lamogun, okay, dambe, if you are back in your power, uku no my little or at where, money pack baby be great. Nda atu two way in dig with no way. Went back baby great. Who why any? We go now why any with never net. But why anyone ya fair uku don't be akin. Yeah, we're town wine. Oh, why were Lamogun? Who were Yoba, Yogi, Yumogun, you no Yama, you no you tated no Wuge so one, you na yimi, you na new border, obi no nya edo yasebwebo obi no nya talk ma yasebwebo o we pagbo yume no yume wa ma wa gbon ege di odu mo ni oye kan o mi wa ku e we o don tu odun da wa de run ni o mi no wa bo do be tu odun da wa de ne run na. So the chanting goes like, oh, you daughter or you son of the monarch. Or the monarch who is the first among all monarchs. The monarch who owns the land from here to a white man's country. The monarch who is our father. He will chant it in such a way that you feel good. So we go on to the second one, and the third one now will be Love Yeze. It belongs to Obede or your Obede or your Obede or your Uyo Obede or your be Iyase oh man. Iyase oheme. Asobo egbe. Obede Uyo. Obe Iyase oheme. Iman ke egbe na re o Uyeze. Yatwe la Uyeze. La Uyeze. In short, you say la apostrophe Yeze. La Yeze. You get it? When you greet an elder like that, he's going to chant the Lineage greeting for you. Where it will go to one where love Yeze. Oi wewe you know Obieze no zuwa. Obie no nyaigo. Obie no devine coin. Obie no nyasile. O kakabo mu dede. Oi mu pagbe. Wabe wa o wa ne bieze. The fourth one will be only her. Only her. And the greeting goes like La Ogele. La Ogele. Okay? In short, it will be La Ogele. And I have to tell you all, it's better to pronounce the full thing than shorten it. You know, La Ogele, it looks meaningless to some extent. So it's better to say La Ogele. When you say La Ogele, then the person you are greeting will know who you are. Only her. La Ogele. You want to know where La Ogele? La Ogele. What I say, I am over here. Only her. No bogene. Edohen. Edohen. La Otose. La Otose. Otose. I want her. In short, it will be La Tose. La Tose. If you don't hang ya, put on what no do. La Tose. Maybe so a way, or is a monk. Ezomo. Ugoni Antwerp. Oye. Là, au Guessin. Oye, Afian Kama. Oye, là, Guessin. Ebezomo. O tu es là, au Guessin. Afian Kama. Oye, là, Guessin. On y a egbe imane. Uzepu. Egbe ira no kwa. Me waya yo. E toi, ba America ya fe. Ni wani ro. Love Jason. Eribe mari me. Ebe gogo we teme etima ya be ro no wa we tu e Love Jason. No we tu me Love Jason. Be Chicago wan ki we would man ji ya fe Love Jason. On your egbe ezomo we tu uduo wan ye kan. Eni wan yan ye wa ma ovana Love Jason. Obi ezomo no gie. Obi oka ku ogedegu. Obie zebu neza moma, obie no nyamozo, obie na gbahe, obie no nyabo, awa akaka botianwe. We ye we opegbe we kere. Ba to pe is that is Ezomo. Ezomo was the commander-in-chief of the armed forces of the Benin Kingdom of those days. Ogiesan is Yogi of Esan part of Edo land, of Edo Kingdom. We go to Ero Nurubi. La Umosun. For short, they say La Mosun. Okay, never write this one. Egbo very well, La Mosun, well, La Umosun. Egbere ero no karen, so karen ni redo ni gapon ni redo no do onya ero onya ubi o wa tu ma La Mosun a obi ero ki don nya ubi no go bazio ai tianwa akemo pagbe. You know ero of Ruby. It's a big chief in Benin Kingdom. Then you go from there to Okao Owugoton. Do what? Okao Ugoton. Okao Ugoton. Tu connais à toi? La Emei. La Emei. So for short to be La Mei. Pas bien, hein? Okao Nugoton. La Emei. For short is La Mei. If you belong to any of these lineages, don't pronounce it in a way that nobody understands what you're saying. You have to say it properly. Laimehi. I mean, don't just say Lamehi. Laimehi. Okay? From there, we go on to Oloton. Oloton. To instruct you to know that they greet the same thing. La Emehi. All right. See? So that means the two lineages are close. The two families are close. Okay? Then you go on to Obazuaye. All right. Interestingly, it is the same thing. Obazuaye la mehi eyan abetua o. Eyan abetua o. La mehi eyan abetua. Akon salobo. Eti ma so ro no wa to ni be o e mo jewan. Eyan wa to la mehi who enge if you want people who greet these greetings, you see there are three lineages that greet the same thing. That means you are all related. That shows you are not alone. That shows you belong to a big family. Let us be proud of our lineage greeting. Let people know us who we are. There is no lineage greeting that is not important. It's not anything to be ashamed of. It's something that God brought you in that lineage, and you are not going to be able to change it. I know that some people greet like Jesus, which means the family of Jesus Christ, the Christian body. Okay, they are not wrong in saying that. They are only saying that they have been born again. And the Bible tells us that it is possible to be born again. So that's why they greet that. So, however, they still remember their own lineage greeting into which they were born the first time. We are proud of our lineage greeting or morning salutation. Like I said, it's important to greet your lineage greeting, even if it is afternoon. Even if it is afternoon. It's only when it is already night that you don't have to greet your lineage greeting. And already night. The reason is that you have an alternative greeting to give at that time. It's already night, it means you have already had your dinner. And if you have had your dinner, there is a special greeting that you give to your seniors. Let me say it again. If it is night, let's say 7 p.m., you already had your dinner. So it's not necessary to greet the morning greeting, the morning salutation. No. You now go on to greet the evening greeting, which comes from after dinner, which shows that you have had your dinner. I'm going to write it out now. So when we are back to a radio, and I name again. I know yalla. I think I yo, una ga Bobby here, who even run at to a song. But I mune, only the ma edena, edenom, or Kake Yard, you mutane, Urieva otane. Even run at 12, or 12 at 12, Adiva otane. Why the otane, again, ya 12 or we. If I owe tan way near way 20. No way pos are waba, no way pon me raba, no way pon me yueba, no way pon me new wayaba. Yagbon is that banana. O 12 or water. Now you 12 with the amune.